Write an expression for the perimeter P of the shape below. Okay, so I'm going to start here and go around the shape. The perimeter is the distance around the outside of the shape. So starting here, I'm going to have P is going to be equal to 5x minus 2y, 2x plus y, plus 3x, plus 4y, plus 7. And I got back to where I started. Right, collecting like terms together. So we've got 5x plus 2x plus 3x. Let's write that down. 5x plus 2x plus 3x. And then we've got minus 2y plus y plus 4y. And then we've still got that plus 7 at the end. Right, grouping these together, 5 plus 2 plus 3 makes 10 lots of x. And then we've got minus 2y plus y, which gives me minus y. Minus y plus 4y gives me 3y. And we've still got the plus 7. And that's the expression for the perimeter, 10x plus 3y plus 7. So this has been a video to show you how to write the perimeter of a shape and then simplify by grouping like terms together. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.